happy Cricut Monday. And what we're going to be doing this week, I'm so excited. I already have my design space pulled up here. We are going to take some vinyl and cut it out and put it on a mug. I've practiced a little bit and I really love doing this, okay? So we'll go to new project. It's right here with the circle with the plus in it. You can make a new project that way, or you can go up to the right corner where it says new project. It doesn't matter which one you click on. Okay, that's going to take you to your canvas. What we're going to be doing is coming over here to the left hand side to images, and we're going to click on images, and I'm going to be using Cricut Access images that are in Cricut Access. I'm subscribed, so I'm just going over to the top right corner. You can see images is highlighted, and I'm going to search for lashes. I thought I would do something so cute. I love this. Brows Lashes Coffee. It is adorable, okay? So we're going to click on that, and that will put a green, that box turns green around it. Then we're going to the right-hand bottom corner. We're going to hit Insert Images. Okay, and to see how big I want it, I'm just going to move it up here to the corner. And I think it really, depending on the size of your mug, I think I really need one about that size, okay? So it's about, 2.5 roughly to almost 3. Let's see. Let's put it to 3 and see what happens. Well, that's a little above 3. Okay, let's try that. That's close, all right? Now, all you need to do is go to the top right corner and click on Make It. And you can see over here in the left-hand corner, it's set to cut, which is what you want for vinyl. You're going to need 3 mats. You can see here's 1 mat, 2 mat, 3 mats. Now, someone asked me the other day, when I showed the French press and the words in it, if you wanted the word a different color, what do? You just need to put it not part of the French press itself, but separate like these are, and then you can print it out any color that you want. Okay, so you can see on my mat, it's going to do the lashes with the word lashes. Okay, so we are going to continue. And my machine is connecting by Bluetooth. Okay, and my material is set to vinyl on my knob on my Cricut, which is what you want to do. So I've decided to come over here and show you how you would load this vinyl on your mat. And I have holographic, Cricut holographic vinyl for this. So I've decided that I'm going to put my lashes, and I just cut small pieces because I don't want to waste a lot. I'm going to make the lashes and the word lashes in this silver holographic. I think it'll be really pretty. Then all you have to do is just put this on here like that. Okay? And then we will go over to the machine and start cutting. Okay, you can see right here that the load button is blinking. So all I'm going to do is just insert my mat right here underneath these little edges. And then click on this and the mat will load. Okay, now you'll see that the little Cricut button to cut is blinking, so I'm going to click on that. And now it's going to start cutting. Okay, now see right here, it's not going to bother over here, but you need to make sure with this holographic vinyl, it's so thick that you get this adhered nicely, but it was adhered good over here. So now this is blinking. We're going to do the next one. I cut this one a little wider because I was afraid that the wording might get too wide for it. I need to use my brayer to make sure this is adhered nicely. You definitely want to get it down very well. Okay, and then I'm just going to go print out the next one. Okay, what we're going to do next is this is the mug that I have. I don't know where I got it. It may have been from the Dollar Tree. I don't know. I have a smaller mug that is from the Dollar Tree, but I think this would be too big for what I want. I mean, this would be too small for what I need to do. I practiced a little bit on this glass container from the Dollar Tree. I just didn't put brows. This is so cute. If you had a smaller one, you could put like your makeup brushes in it. I think that would be adorable, okay? So what we're just going to do now is weed this, which I'm not very good at. Okay, all you do is find a corner and just start peeling it back. And I really should have cut that smaller. And then this is what we have. So we're just going to go in and take this little weeder tool and put it right in here. And sometimes I end up just kind of folding it. Like I said, I'm not really good at this yet. Okay, and then here this came out. Just like that. Then we're going to do the A. I've heard that this is so addictive once you start using vinyl, and I can see where it would be. It's so much fun. Okay, and that's what we have so far. So I'm going to go ahead and finish weeding the rest of these, and I'll be right back. Here's my coffee, and here is my brows, okay? So I just have some Cricut transfer tape, and I'm just going to be using this. It's really easy how you do it. You just put what you want, the vinyl down here. I need to clean my mat, it's a mess. And then you just tear this off. This is really too big. But I'll get better as I do more of this judging. Okay, and you put the sticky side down, and I like it because it has these grids, okay? But I'm gonna have to put it this way. But that's all right, okay? All right. And then all you do is take this little tool or a craft stick, anything like that, and just start really coming really hard on this vinyl to get it to adhere to the transfer tape, because this tape is what is going to allow us to adhere this to the mug. I'd really like to put that on the small mug, but I just don't think that it wouldn't fit. Okay, so we're going to do this bigger mug, okay? So okay, and now we have this. Now all we have to do, that's how you get it onto your transfer tape, okay? Now, the next thing you want to do is figure out where you want it. And I'm going to put mine about right here. Then you just really rub, because here it is. It's kind of hard to see. And then really rub. You can rub with that. You can rub with your fingers. And I could have put this down more
Probably should have, but I was afraid I'd run out of room. Then you start peeling like at a 45-degree angle. I just love this. This is so much fun. Oh my gosh. And it peels off. And that's what we have so far. I love this. This would be such a cute gift. Oh my gosh. Okay. So coffee goes right underneath there. So we're going to do the same thing with this transfer tape. We're going to peel it off. And you can see you can make it much smaller than I did. Okay. And then just really rub this to get it on there. And no, you can't see. Okay. Then we're going to peel the transfer tape, and it hasn't adhered good yet. So we'll just keep rubbing. Okay. And then you just peel it back, and there is coffee. I love this. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna go crazy, I can tell. Okay, and I'm gonna put coffee about right here. You do the same thing, you just rub. I can see why they say it's addictive. You could make beautiful Christmas presents, Mother's Day gifts, anniversary presents, welcome to the neighborhood. Oh, birthdays. I mean, the possibilities are endless. Or you could just make you something that you loved. Oh. And then every time you drink your tea or coffee, you have something beautiful, okay? Just pull at that 45-degree angle. If it starts messing up, you can put it right back on, okay? And we are almost finished. We only have one more to put on here, the brows. And the brows are supposed to go right in there. So hopefully we can get them on there. I'm going to cut this down. Just took my paper cutter and I'm going to cut that down. I think that is adorable. Oh my gosh. Oh, see, I get excited. Okay. All right. Now I peeled this off. Now I'm just going to put that on there and just rub. Really rub it. Okay, now hopefully, and it's going to come right off. Now, we're almost done. And if you would see this cup out, you would pay a lot of money for it. You really would. And I'm going to put my brows right there. Did I get him a little crooked? And you can just, at least I'm not having any trouble picking it up and moving it if I'm a little unsure. Oh, I like that better. Okay, then we're just going to rub again. Be careful, don't rub on what you've already been on. You might mess it up, I don't know. This is so much fun. Okay, then we're just going to peel this off, 45-degree angle, and I'm going over the lashes and it didn't hurt it at all. And this is what we have, brows, lashes, and coffee. Now when you drink your tea or your coffee, you have the most beautiful mug. It has such pizzazz. I love this, and it's so easy to make. This is great for a beginner to try this. I am far from an advanced person, trust me. This is so easy to do. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.